What if I told you that right now, in 2026, you can make money from your bedroom with zero experience, zero degree, and sometimes even zero investment? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Thousands of people around the world are already doing it every single day using just one thing, artificial intelligence. And today, I am going to show you exactly 9 ways you can do the same. So do not close this video because by the end of it, you will have a complete roadmap to start your AI side hustle today. What's up everyone, and welcome back to NextGen, the channel where we talk about the future today. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping you grow with technology, whether that's AI, digital skills, or online earning. I am your host, and today we have an absolutely packed video for you. We are breaking down 9 beginner-friendly AI side hustles that are actually making people real money in 2026. No fluff, no fake promises, just real actionable ideas that you can start this week. Make sure you watch till the end because the last one on the list is honestly one of the most underrated opportunities right now. Let's get into it. Let's start with the very first one, AI content writing. Every single business in the world needs content. Blogs, website pages, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, the demand is endless. Now here's where you come in. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper allow you to produce high-quality written content at an incredible speed. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to guide the AI, edit the output, and deliver value to your clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people hiring for exactly this. Beginners are starting at around $5 to $10 per article, and experienced AI writers are charging $50 to $100 per piece. The key is to start, build a portfolio, collect reviews, and scale up from there. Moving on to number 2, AI thumbnail and graphic design. Every YouTuber, every content creator, every online business needs visuals. And with tools like Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney, you can create stunning, professional-looking designs in minutes, even if you have never touched a design tool in your life. Think about it. There are over 500 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every single minute. Every single one of those creators needs a thumbnail. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $30 per thumbnail, and once you get fast with AI, you can produce 10 to 15 a day. That math speaks for itself. Number 3 is AI voiceover services. This one surprises a lot of people. AI voice technology has become so advanced in 2026 that it is nearly impossible to tell the difference between a human voice and an AI-generated one. Platforms like 11 Labs and Murph allow you to create natural, professional voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. Who needs this? YouTube channels, e-learning companies, corporate training videos, advertisements, audiobooks, the list goes on. You can offer this as a freelance service and charge per minute of audio. It is low effort, high demand, and requires almost no learning curve. Let's talk about number 4, AI video editing. Video content is the king of the internet right now, and it is not slowing down. But here is the problem. Most creators hate editing. They would rather pay someone to do it, that someone can be you. With AI tools like Runway ML, CapCut AI, and Descript, you can edit full videos, add captions, remove backgrounds, cut silences, and create reels in a fraction of the time it takes to do it manually. An editor using AI works 5 times faster than a traditional editor. That means you can take on more clients, deliver faster, and earn more, all at the same time. Number 5 is creating and selling AI-powered online courses. Here is a mindset shift for you. You do not need to be an expert to create a course. You just need to know more than your audience. Pick any skill you have, speaking English, cooking, drawing, basic coding, personal finance, and use AI to help you structure the curriculum, write the lessons, design the slides, and even create the marketing content. Then upload it to platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Udemy. The best part? You create it once and it sells forever. That is what passive income actually looks like. Now, number 6 is something businesses are desperately looking for right now: AI chatbot setup services. Small businesses, clinics, restaurants, and online stores all want chatbots to handle customer questions automatically. but most business owners have no idea how to set one up. You do not need to know coding for this. Platforms like TDO, ManyChat, and BotPress make it drag and drop simple. You can charge anywhere from $200 to $500 to set up a chatbot for a business, and then offer monthly maintenance packages on top of that. This is one of those skills where one client referral can completely change your income. Number 7 is AI social media management. Every business knows they need to be on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, but most of them do not have the time or knowledge to do it right. That is a massive opportunity for you. Using AI tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Lately, you can plan content calendars, write captions, schedule posts, and even analyze performance, all in just a few hours a week per client. A single client can pay you $150 to $400 a month. Land 5 clients, and you have a full-time income working part-time hours. Number 8 is AI resume and LinkedIn profile writing. Job hunting is more competitive than ever, and people are willing to pay good money for a resume that actually gets them interviews. With AI tools, you can write professional, ATS-optimized resumes, compelling cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles that get noticed in under an hour. Target fresh graduates, people switching careers, and professionals looking for better jobs. Charge per package, and you will never run out of clients because people are always looking for jobs. And finally, number 9, and this is the one I really want you to pay attention to, AI affiliate marketing. Here is how it works. You sign up as an affiliate for AI products and platforms, things like Jasper, Pictory, 11 Labs, or even Canva Pro. Then you create content, YouTube videos, blog posts, short-form reels, explaining and recommending these tools. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Some of these programs pay 20 to 40% recurring commissions. That means every month that person keeps their subscription, you keep getting paid. Create the content once, earn from it for years. This is one of the most underrated income streams in 2026, and almost no one in this space is doing it properly yet. And that right there is your complete list. 9 real beginner-friendly AI side hustles that you can start in 2026 with little to no investment. The world is changing fast, and AI is not replacing hardworking people. It is replacing people who refuse to adapt. So be the one who adapts. Pick one idea from today's video, spend this week learning it, and take your first step. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to start. If this video gave you value, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to NextGen if you haven't already, and share this with a friend who needs to hear this. Drop a comment below and tell me, which hustle are you starting first? I read every single comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.